Welcome back, friends. Over the past few months, I sent out a 100,000 from X as well as Instagram in terms of cold DM outreach. So if you're curious about the results, I'm going to show it to you in this video. It's going to be a quick video, just the results itself, so you can judge for yourself which platform is best. Let's go. So it's a simple document. I didn't want to make it fancy, no crazy edits, nothing like this, just the pure results that we got so you can see for yourself. Okay, so basically in terms of the platforms, we just use X versus Instagram, right? And we used automation softwares for both, but what we have switched off from that just because of safety and issues. So if you want to see why we did that, I'm going to link that in this video here, but you can still use it if you like replacing accounts, which I do not. So I'm going to show you the difference between X as well as Instagram. You can make your bets right now. So in terms of reply rates, here is what we got. So for X, we got a 1,567. So that is basically a 1.6% reply rate. For Instagram, we got basically almost 4 times as much. So it's 6,738. It is not impossible to reach higher numbers if your deliverability is better. The recent campaigns we've been running have seen upwards of 50% deliverability with Instagram if the leads are good, if they qualified, and if you have a decent and optimized profile. So I mean, that could happen. This is just something that we did through the automations. So if you want to do that manually through VAs, you're probably going to get like 10 to 20% reply rates. Even though this is not good, this is good for the benchmark for the video. So for positive reply rates, we got 287. And again, these leads just were blasted through automations. So if you want to do that, cool. This is just the results so that you can expect. For Instagram, it's about 1,001. So as you can see, basically like a 1% positive reply ratio for this, as well as like a 0.3% for here. So we got 89 book polls, as well as for Instagram, we got 312. So this is basically it. I would recommend to do Instagram if you want to invest. Number one, because you can just go to Z2U, a platform where you can get aged accounts, and very easily you can get aged Twitter accounts as well, but you can just look up Instagram, right? And you can get Instagram accounts. Click here to accounts and get Instagram accounts that are old for $3 a pop. You can get 10 accounts. With 10 accounts, you set it up for 2 weeks, just basically like a 2-week warm-up. For 10 accounts, you can easily send 400 messages per day, right? And if you're just getting these, well, I would say shitty numbers that we got here, you can easily get 10%. So let's just go with 10%, right? So 10% reply rates. You can get 40 good replies each day. And if you take, well, the average, I mean, you could easily get like 20% good reply rates from this. So let's say just like we go with 25. So 10 good replies out of these, you can easily book like 3 meetings. So just some 10 accounts alone from Instagram. If you do it well, if you just like care about the lead list, you can book 3 decent calls every single day. And that's quite good, right? So 3 calls a day. I mean, realistically, it could be like a 1 deal per day just from setting up something super simple like this. And I mean, if you add it up, like it's $33, you warm it up for a few weeks. And if you're sending it manually through a VA, I mean, come on. What's the ROI? If you pay $500, right, for a VA just to send from these 10 accounts every day, 400 each day, you could basically book a deal a day from this, right? And I mean, this is, I would say, like conservative, because you can easily get 20% reply rates if you're getting a good offer in easily better ones, right? It's all about the targeting for here. For X, I would say it's not really worth it, because you have to, first of all, you have to get verified, and it costs $8 just to get verified. But of course, you can send higher volumes. So for 1 account, you can send 400. You could do both. So if you want to get 10 accounts in, you can send 400 times 10, so 4,000 messages each day. So if you take a look at just say like 2% reply rates, right, you're gonna get 80 replies. And if you go off of the same theory, you can basically get like 20 positive replies, and from there like 5-6 book calls, which again should be like 1 or 2 deals a day. Though this is more costly because, you know, you're gonna have to get 10 accounts times 8 is 80, of course, for the accounts, just to get verified. And if you want to use something like XReacher for 10 accounts, even with a discount, I think it's going to be somewhere around like $500. So you're going to pay like $600 for the automation as well as the verification. It's not bad because you could still get like easily 1 deal a day if you just doing it right. So this was it. Quick video. Again, I would prefer Instagram. I'm gonna make one about email versus SMS soon. So if you're interested to see the results for 100k emails versus SMS, we're gonna probably turn this into mini series so you can just pick yourself like if X or Instagram is worth your time. If not, for Outbound, if you got value out of it, let me know in the comments below. If you got questions, just message me on Instagram, or you can just book a call with me directly in the link in the description. With that in mind, I'll see you in the next one. See ya.